Happy Friday, everybody. We are at the training center and we are going to be covering the display behind me. So this display is Frameless Current. It's a combination of Seattle, Oregon pine, black paint. We've got some aluminum accent doors, and I want to cover the thought process behind the design as well as how we broke down some of the components. So you can see that we have a wheelchair behind us, and that is because this display focuses on universal design, ADA, handicap accessible. There's a couple things that stem this. One is it's just to show how creative you can get with current and frameless current without having to go do a special request. Sometimes you'd have to take parts and pieces and build your own components, and there's some fun and creativity that goes into that. The sound of this configuration to start off with. This is about 14 different components, give or take. And we configured it that way using frameless current into a tall cabinet. We look at it, we've got some end panels as well as some miscellaneous panels capturing kind of the perimeter of the tall portion. We have 3 wall cabinets here. We've got a lift up, regular hinge door here, and then we have a lift up. Then we have a 3-drawer base underneath that. Kind of the same configuration. We've got 2 wall cabinets, but what's unique about this is we have a raised dishwasher in here with an appliance panel, and then we have a range-based drawer. So the second part is I was giving a tour here and somebody could not wrap their heads around why a lift-up door would be in this position with a rollout underneath it and why the microwave and oven were at their heights, and really all that comes down to is the usability of the space and the design criteria. So it might not make a lot of sense for us as we're standing, but if you get into a sitting position, you're able to see why having a lift-up door and a rollout can be useful, right? The same thing really goes for this raised dishwasher. The idea of the raised dishwasher in this application and having the range base underneath it is so that you can wheel up and load and unload your dishes. Focus on the center portion of the display. You can see we have the universal design sink base. It has the angled front on it. It's got the taller toe space behind it. We also have a reduced overall cabinet height, and then we've got the increased toe space, and all of that is to accommodate wheelchair toe space clearances. Up above, we've got the aluminum frame doors with the swing up, and that comes into play being that you don't have to worry about cabinet swing and door interference when you're visually trying to do anything. So it's easy to get plates in and out of the positions. So just like the opposing side, we got creative with components from Frameless Current. Wall cabinets, an opening for the oven, range-based drawer, another series of wall cabinets for the micro, and then we have a 3-drawer base. And again, this is all revolving around being able to specify sort of where we want our heights, and we specify that by changing the cabinet sizes and the components that are going into this configuration. And all of that really revolves around the same thought process, and it is how to get our appliances in the correct position so that they're ergonomically friendly. You know, we're not having to reach up super high, worry about spilling, or having a hot pan burn us. And so that is where some of the fun and creativity comes into. As always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more cabinet and design content.